Drug recall notice. In the treatment of chronic illnesses, medications may be an effective tool for managing everything from high blood pressure to chronic pain. According to the National Institutes of Health, hypothyroidism, which affects 5 out of every 100 Americans over the age of 12, is one of the most prevalent diseases for which prescription drugs are beneficial, NIH. The illness is more likely to afflict women and is most prevalent in those over 60. You should be aware, however, that the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has recalled a thyroid prescription due to significant health risks if you're one of the many people who use medicine to treat it. Continue reading to learn about the most recent medicine recall. IBS Pharma Incorporated's voluntary recall of particular batches of their tyrosine levothyroxine sodium, oral solution prescription was made public by the FDA on February 1. The warning from the FDA lists the 27 impacted batches along with their NDC codes, lot numbers, and expiration dates so that customers may recognize them. According to the agency, experts recommend tyrosine as a replacement medication for the treatment of hypothyroidism. It's also a component of a therapy regimen for some kinds of thyroid cancer called pituitary thyrotropin suppression. In accordance with the FDA, the medication is a clear, colorless to slightly yellow solution delivered in a 1 ml white, non-transparent, unit dose ampule, with the dosage strength clearly marked on each box and pouch and a different color assigned to each strength level. IBS Pharma Incorporated recalled the drug, in accordance with the FDA's recall notice, after discovering that the recalled lots could be subpotent, or lower in dose strength than advertised. According to the company's investigation, the level of levothyroxine sodium in the impacted medication had slightly decreased below 95%. The organization warns that patients taking the lower dosage medication could start experiencing the immediate symptoms of hypothyroidism, such as fatigue, increased sensitivity to cold, constipation, dry skin, puffy face, hair loss, slow heart rate, depression, swelling of the thyroid gland and/or unexplained weight gain or difficulty losing weight, among others. Long-term harmful effects on growth and development, cardiac function, bone metabolism, reproductive function, cognitive function, emotional state, gastrointestinal function, and glucose and lipid metabolism might result from the improper dose. According to the FDA, IBS Pharma Incorporated is in the process of notifying distributors, dealers, and medical professionals about the recall. However, the organization cautions anybody using tyrosine not to stop taking medication without first consulting their doctor to go over a potential substitute. No adverse reactions or medical crises connected to the recalled medication have been reported as of yet. However, pregnant women, newborns, and elderly individuals who believe they are having issues while taking the drug should contact their doctor or healthcare provider right once. Patients can also get in touch with IBS Pharma Incorporated by calling the hotline or sending an email to the address provided on the FDA recall notice. This is not the only occurrence involving a medicine recall that has occurred recently. Angiotensin-converting enzyme, ACE, inhibitor quinapril, used to decrease blood pressure in people with hypertension, was voluntarily recalled by Lupin Pharmaceuticals, the FDA said on December 21, 2022. Testing revealed the presence of a nitrosamine impurity, known as N-nitrosoquinapril, that was over the acceptable daily intake, ADI/standard, according to the FDA. Additionally, although all nitrosamines are frequently found in water and meals, including cured and grilled meats, dairy products, and vegetables, they can raise the risk of cancer over time at larger concentrations. Patients were advised to speak with their physician or drugstore while taking the medicine. On October 24, the FDA said that New Jersey-based Aurobindo Pharma USA Incorporated has voluntarily recalled 2 particular batches of its quinapril and hydrochlorothiazide tablets USP 20 mg, 12.5 mg. This alerted authorities to the presence of another blood pressure drug. In this case, N-nitrosoquinabril was also found in the medication, and the agency once more advised people to keep taking it while notifying their doctor or healthcare provider as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.